Hey everybody, Vinny here. Today I'm going to do a review on the Blu-ray collector's edition of The Howling, put out by Scream Factory. It came out, I believe, in 2013, this edition. Finally got around to getting it, and I'm very glad I did. It's one of my favorite werewolf movies of all time, beside of An American Werewolf in London. Scream Factory and Shout do a great job on their videos. This is the spine of it. The Howling. And it's a really good film. Here's the back of it. I'll pause it there. Oh. Here's all your special features. And your MGM logo here, and it's also Studio Canal on there. But yeah, it's Scream Factory put this edition out. Yeah, let's open this up, check it out. Yeah, plastic didn't want to come off at first. There we go. Oh yeah, I like when they do this. Oh man, that disc looks really cool. Let's pop this out. We got a double-sided. Here we go. Nice, nice. I like this. It gives you the option of using the original art with the art that they now put in there. There you go. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick review on this. It looks really cool, this edition. I do like this artwork, though. I do. But yeah, there you have it. It isn't, like I said, it came out, I believe, in 2013, so it's not a brand new release. But I finally got to getting it. And yeah, if you like what you see, please subscribe, like, share this video, and click that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.